Welcome to this video series where we will build a no-code clone of ChatGPT. What you see before you right now is not the actual ChatGPT, but the no-code clone that we will actually build in this video series. So we will build a fully functional chatbot just like GPT-3 using Bubble, the no-code platform, as well as OpenAI's API called GPT-3. And we will use the DaVinci model for most of this. Now, it will have a context memory of the chat, just like ChatGPT does, up to a point at least. And we will be able to create new chat messages, new chat channels, and so on. So it's a very nice chat interface way to interact with the AI. And of course, we will just steal the interface from ChatGPT because this is a clone after all. So without further ado, let's go right ahead and build this out. I will take you from zero to hero, and subscribe to this channel to follow along, and I'll see you soon. The break is done. I've had some coffee. Let's continue. So I just made a few quick changes before I start recording it again. One, managed to get the cursor to be in the center. Two, aligned a little bit here. Three, added icons to our buttons here. So at this point, we're at a stage where it's pretty similar. I'd say this is good enough to continue building. And I just added these buttons here. They don't lead to anywhere at this point, but it's just to get the same feel. So now let's create the chat function, the actual back and forth between ourselves and some form of AI chatbot. But to do so, we need a data model for it, and a data model is actually pretty straightforward. So we're gonna have a bunch of different chat channels, and so each time we're writing with this version, this clone of ChatGPT, we're going to create a chat channel, and each chat channel will have a list of messages, and that message can either be something that we write, that we call a prompt, or a response that we get from the AI. So that's it. So we will have chat channels. Inside chat channel, we will have chat messages. They will have a type, so prompt or response, and we will also have a chat reaction. Like to each answer, we should be able to give thumbs up or thumbs down for a reaction. Okay, so that's it. Let's go into Bubble and create that data model. So let's go to the data tab. Data types. Let's start with, let's stop that. I don't know. Let's start with chat channel. Okay, inside each chat channel, we will have chat message. Yes, but it's going to be like this. Each chat message will have a chat, let's say just content. This will be text. And we will also have a chat type, right? Chat message and maybe message type. Let's create an option set, message type. Actually, I'm gonna say chat type. Create, we are going to be having either a prompt or a response. Okay, and we're also gonna have a chat reaction. That is either going to be good or bad. So each chat message will have a chat type will have a chat type, and each will also have, or some of them will have a chat reaction. So chat reaction. It should probably be message reaction, but I like to keep it like this now. We can always change names later. Okay, and they will be connected to a chat channel, because the chat channel will have chat messages. So messages, and this is list because it can be a multiple. Okay, that's our data model to start. Let's go back to the design, and let's write something here in the actual ChatGPT. Can almost not tell them apart at this point. Okay, help me write a song about building products with Bubble in the style of Bob Marley. Let's see what happens now. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So we saw what happened. Channel is created and it's also put here with a name. And we have our prompt. We can also edit our prompt and we get a response, and it has this typewrite effect where it's written out in real time, more or less. And yeah, let's, and here we have some form of loader until it's done. We can write, I guess, but I don't think we can send. Oh, we could actually send while it's writing. I'm sorry, but we sort of disrupted the flow. Okay, and here are the reactions. Good, bad. I can see that we have sort of a, okay. I can see that on this bottom element, if you scroll here, it has like a gradient with one part being transparent and the other part going to the sort of grayish we have here. So it actually looks quite nice. Then we have a regenerate response if we don't like what we have. Okay, so let's start with this like layout with these different colors and full width here. So this for us will be a repeating group. So let's go and add a repeating group and grab these colors. Okay, so we will go for a repeating group. Repeating group. If you hear that sound, that's my dishwasher. Okay, we don't need any width here. I mean fixed width. This should actually be, okay, let's go with this. Okay, let's see, did we, oh, we shouldn't be messing anything up with this one. Fixed, no, give me a row instead. I'm gonna have the group. Remove the style. Fixed number of rows, we don't need that. Okay, and then we're going to be saying what. So it's either this color or this color. But first, let's grab that border. So here's the border. I'm gonna grab that. It's this one. So the separator will be solid. It will be this. Let's do 2 rows. Just for the sake of it, let's do min height like 300 so we can see how it looks like. And we want one to have this darker color, right? And the other one to have the lighter color. So let's say background style is flat. Oops. Condition. Okay, so this is how we can alternate colors in a repeating group depending on the index of the current cell. So modulo 2 less than 1, so it'll alternate between 0 and 1. And we need what? We need a nice color here. Actually, let's start with this one. So what we have that one already. So then let's take this one. Okay, and let's say that this repeating group is, first of all, remove this condition. This repeating group is a chat channel. And let's say when page loads, no, hold on. Okay, first of all, let's go to floating group A. And when this is clicked, we're going to create a chat message. Okay, so when it's clicked, create something, create a new thing, chat message. Actually, let's pull all the fields. Chat reaction, we don't need this one. Chat type will be prompt. Content will be multi-line input is value. Then we're going to reset the inputs, reset relevant inputs. And what I want is I want that message that we created to be shown here. Obviously, that the data here is a specific chat channel, so we need to associate the message we just created with a new chat channel. And the first time we're in, we should probably create a chat channel with this message. So let's say that we have ChatGPT and the page. Put a state here, so add a new custom state, and we say chat channel, and it's going to be a text. It's going to be empty by default. And when this is empty, so let's do this. When this is the first time, we're going to say this only when ChatGPT1's chat channel is empty. Then we're going to create something else also, which is a chat channel. Chat channel. Oh, actually, chat channel should have a name. I just realized chat channel should have a name. And we're gonna say add fields. We're gonna have a name. New chat is going to be the default name. New chat. Okay, and we're gonna move these. So create a chat channel, create a chat message, and change the thing. Result of step 1. We are going to be adding a chat message, add result of step 2, right? That's probably right. And then reset relevant inputs. Let's see how fast this is. The speed is a little bit, might become a problem, we'll see. Chat channel, do a search for chat channels, where current user, let's see, where created by is current user, because you're gonna need to you're gonna need to log in to use this. Search for chat channels, and then this is just gonna be chat messages, and it's gonna be current blah 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 chat messages. I'll do a search for chat message where nope, chat channel. Where are we? Chat channel. Okay. Current. It should be search for chat channels. Each items. Chat message. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. I need to think. Search for chat channels. No, this should be specific chat channel that we. Okay. Okay. This should actually be chat message. And let's say search for chat channels, current user, each item's chat messages. No. Okay, let's fix this soon, but let's start with do a search for chat messages. Do a search for a chat message, then we're gonna have parent groups, chat message, chat content. What's the issue here? Remember to fill out action. What action? Add. Wait a minute, where am I? Create a new chat channel. No, we don't need that. Okay. Let's try this out. Just to see where we are. It'll look a bit messy because it didn't hide the main group and anything like that. Hello. Okay. Let's look in the database. Do we have chat channels? We have 2 chat channels. All chat messages. Hello, this is a test. Why is it not visible? Aha, lol. Current sales chat message. Okay, and I also noticed we shouldn't have this one, and no roundness. Padding, sure. Okay, let's do it again. Hello, this is a test. Okay, great. This. Oh, we should put the focus back on this multi-line input. This is a test. Say something fun, please. No. Oops. No. All right. So get the point. We have a start. Okay. Let's continue now. I am thinking while I'm speaking. By the way, what font size is this? It's actually 16. All right. Let's change that. It's gonna be 16. I forgot how wide this is. Max. So it's max 770. And what did I put here? Max 7. Oh, that's probably okay. Let's do 760. Okay, where are we? So we log in and we start with no chat channel. Once we write the first message, we create a chat channel. That chat channel should set the state so that the second time I write in the input, while there is a state of a chat channel, we shouldn't create a new one. Okay, so that needs to happen also. So create a new blah 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 blah. Let's see. Let's put this. Let's have blue one. Create a new chat channel. Reset relevant inputs. Maybe I can set focus to an input element. Yes, and then set state. State of an element. The element's going to be ChatGPT the page, chat channel. And I will say result of step 1. And it can actually be just the UI. Sorry, ID, unique ID, UUID. Okay, so only do this and chat channel is empty. What will happen when chat channel is not empty? Then we will do the same here. So copy, paste, and we will put this as a. I don't like red, maybe green. Only the description blah blah is not empty, and then we don't need to create a channel, but we do need to create a message. Don't need to exchange something, but we do need the other thing is here. Okay, that should do it. What else? We should have a. Actually, when we have created something here, see that we have here is a list of chat channels. So let's actually put a list of chat channels here as well. Pretty similar. Repeating group again. Repeating group, but spelled correctly. Put that below here. I am going to say that this is a row, like so. I am gonna use, let's see, what do we have here? It's the same size, and okay. So we can probably use this one. Put that in a repeating group. Oops, that's wrong. Copy, paste, okay. And I think this is the color that should be here, but I'm not sure. Oops, I'm not sure. Is it? Maybe not. Okay, let's grab this color that it actually is. Come on. I don't know why. Okay, there we go. Okay, this is the color. This was some sort of chat icon. Maybe this one. It's good enough, but let's see if we can get closer. Chat. No. We'll go with this one. And what's neat with ChatGPT is that they actually generate the name here, but it starts with new chat. So we'll do the same, but one thing at a time. We need a edit and we need a remove. So let's say new chat. You know, for now, anyway, this is going to be chat channels. We can do a search for chat channels, where the created by is current user. And what else? We don't need this 50. We don't need any separator like this. We don't need a padding here. 0. What's this? Left. It's the height maybe. No? What's this? Okay. And we have this one. No. This can be a column. We should probably group these together. Convert group elements in a column. Okay. No. Hold on. This is group B. This is repeating group. This is group B. It's all in the same. But this one and this one, we can group these. Groups and okay. Row. Oh. Let's put this one in here. It should be in here. You should also be in here, my friend. Okay, I think this is probably it. Nope. Where are we? Group E. Okay, so we have our chat here. We're going to be having some more things in here. This one and this one. Min width. We don't need that. Let's move this to the last. Oops, make last. And make last. What did we say? We said edit and so maybe change. Edit. Okay. Edit. And what? Delete. Delete. Okay. So that's pretty tight. If we can group these together in a row. Sure, sure. And this can be min width. Max width 50, max width, 40 maybe then. 45 might even be what we want to go with. Let's see, this probably look a bit like a mess right now. Okay, this works, but don't need this. Works better. Okay, and then maybe 40 will actually work. Okay, let's go with this one for now. This is still a repeating group, right? Yes. Okay, you can be here. You can be here, and then we have chat channels. And this should be chat channel as well. Current cells chat channel. This should be current cells index. No, sorry, current parent groups. Of course, this should be parent groups name. Okay. Where are we? Let's see where we are. Okay, let's try. Hello. Okay. Yes. Okay, we're starting. So this group should be hidden when we have a state. So when this blah blah blah, blah is not empty. It's not empty. This is not visible. Okay. It just loaded. And this is always search for chat messages. It's because I'm searching for all chat messages. This should also not be visible. Let's say copy conditional expression, paste conditional expression. And this is the inverse, right? When this page's chat channel state is not empty, this should be visible, but it should be visible in the start. Okay. So if I reload now, it should be like this. And then I say hello. And then now it loads all the messages. And it creates a chat channel. So what we wanted to do is we wanted to show this particular chat channel's message. So we will say search for chat messages where the chat channel. Okay, search for chat channel, maybe chat channel where the unique ID is this page's chat channel, right? That's only one. And then you are going to say each item's chat messages. Oh, it should be the first item also because it's only one. And then there's chat messages. So this should probably work. Let's see. Hello, it's only one. This is great. What? This is great. Aha. Okay, I know what the problem is. Now this page has a state that is a chat channel, so we are doing the workflow where we are not changing a chat channel and adding a message, which means that we won't see the message I just wrote inside this chat channel. So what we need to do is the following. Go to workflow, and it's this green one, so create a chat message. We're actually going to want to change, make changes to a thing. I'm going to change the chat channel, thing to change. Okay, do a search for chat channel. No, actually, we don't even need, well, okay, chat. Hold on, wait a minute. Is it easier to set the state as just a type instead of a text that is the unique ID, which is the thing anyway? Yes, probably. So chat channel. This is better. Now we have some issues. Let's resolve them. When search for chat channel where search for chat channel. No, we don't need this now. We can say ChatGPT's chat channels, chat messages instead. And then what else do we have? Set state. Let's see, we're gonna set a state and the value will be result of step 1. Doesn't need it to be the unique ID, but just the result of step 1. But this will be better. It's better in long. Fill out type. Do a search for. Make change source thing. This is where we were. So we're do a search for. We don't even thing to change. ChatGPT's chat channel. We're going to be add chat messages. Add. Create a new chat message. And we should probably have that here. Let's see if I messed it up or if it actually makes sense. Hello, this is a test. Okay, so this message should be visible now. Does it work? Yes, it does. Okay, great. Let's continue. All right. And here we shouldn't have these, but the actual chat channels. So let's look at our data tab, see what we have. So what type of chat channels do we have? Bunch of prompts, bunch of channels. They are all called the same. We'll fix that later on. Wait a minute, did I do this? Maybe I did. Oh yeah, I already did it. Never mind. Then what do we need to do? Well, I guess we should polish it a bit. So what happens if I do a new chat? Okay, great. New chat again. This is another one. Okay, so that's all right. So let's polish a bit before we continue. What we should have is the different chat channels should look like this. this like when it's hovered and this when it's selected. Okay. And here we should be able to change the name, and here we should delete it. So let's do the polish before we move on to the AI part of it. And we should also add the avatar here and the thumbs up and thumbs down. So let's go right into doing that. So first of all, this is the state when this one is selected. So current sales channels, let's say, first of all, let's grab the color. And let's say that there's no color to start with. But when current sales chat channel is ChatGPT's chat channel, then the background color and style. That color will be this, right? And then this will be visible as well. So when parents group chat channel is ChatGPT's chat channel, then this element is visible, otherwise it is not, and we should collapse when hidden. What else? We need a hover color, which is likely the same as for the other ones, but let's just grab it here. Here we are. So when you are, no, it's not the one. When this group is hovered, the color, oh, background style, okay, and color should be this. Let's see where we are, where does that leave us, and how does that compare to this one? Yeah, this makes sense. However, this should not be visible. So what did I say here? I said it's visible there and it's not visible here. And what else? When we click one, so when it's clicked, we should set the state of this corresponding chat channel. So when this is clicked, set a state, ChatGPT, the state will be current sales chat channel. Okay. So let's see where that leaves us. Yeah, it works. However, why are we not seeing? Here, it's the last one. Okay, so we should reverse the order here, because I thought that at the top would be the latest, but it's not. Then I also noticed we have a gap here. That gap should not be there. Then we have some more polish. Yeah, so it was the avatars and the reactions. Probably the regenerate response as well, and what we should be able to delete and edit these. So let's actually do all of that. What did I say first? I already forgot. The order. Okay, where is the order? Such a simple thing that I don't remember. Layout, no, it should be here. Sort by, create a date, sending, yes. Always confuse these, but let's see. Yes, okay, great. And we don't need this, whatever this is. Why is there a gap here? Write something. Yeah, it's a bit slow actually. Okay. This works okay, I guess. Let's figure that out later. It's probably something silly. Now what we want to do, let's also try and write something longer just to see how that looks like. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so now I want the avatar in here. So let's see, this has let's grab this one. It's going to be an avatar in the end. And we should have it first. And let's create a group with these two. So group elements in a row column. I'm going to set the same max width as we had here. I'm going to decrease this one to this. And let's say, what did I say? 760, right? Put that in the middle. Have some space between the columns, maybe 15. No, that's, or is it too much? Well, it might actually be too little. 20 something. Maybe. This obviously is a bunch, a bit bigger. 30 maybe. I'm not sure. I don't know. But let's try it out. And this is going to be an avatar in the end. Profile maybe. Person. I don't know. Okay, let's just grab this one. Almost looks like the logo here. Okay. Where are we? How is it actually when I just want to see how it looks like when there's more text? What? That can't be it. Okay, let's try this instead. Okay, so this is aligned at the top. That's good to know. So this should also be aligned at the top for messages like this one. Let's see. Okay, good. Then I want the reaction also. So maybe this one is the best to, to duplicate. So inside this, I'm gonna put this little bad boy. Where is it? Where is it? 700, let's say. Why is this not here? Aha, because it's not visible. Okay, where are we? I'm in group C, repeating group chat message, group message, something icon, and I have a bunch of these. Okay, so let's say it is visible. Let's delete these the ones I added without having to do so. Okay, and no, that's probably good. This should be like that. This should be what, 740 then maybe. As long as it's not, let's see how this looks like. I don't want to mess up the I did a little bit. It needs to be as wide as the prompt input box here. And I think we're probably good. It might be almost over, so let's make it a bit tighter, but let's fix this first. So thumbs up, thumbs down. Oh, I should have used this one because it's the same functionality almost. So let me instead grab that one. Where are you? Where are you, my friend? Come on. Okay, I am going to copy this group because I know that's the one. And I'm going to paste it here. And I'm going to let go of these. And I'm going to paste it again. And I'm going to make sure that this has a max width that is probably more. Yep, maybe 50, like that. And we have a thumb. up, thumb down. These are ugly thumbs. Thumbs. Okay, where are we? This should be light gray, and then like a slight. Okay, maybe here 20. Slight hover effect is what I'm trying to say. Okay, let's see. New chat. Sure. It shouldn't be as big though. Maybe the icon should be bigger, and don't need as much. No, the icon should just be bigger. So 18, 18. 18, 18. And then what? Don't need as much. We can do like 15. And 15. Okay, let's see where we are. New chat. Oh, it's okay. It's just, I don't like. They feel like they're a bit in the way. We need more subtle ones like these. I'll find them and I'll change it. But we also, this should only be visible for the types that are prompts. And I realize also that now we should actually set the type. Maybe I have set the type. Chat message. Okay, type prompt. Chat message type prompt. That's good. Okay, so what we need to do is only create a conditional and say that these, let's see, where are we? These are only visible. So when parent groups chat message chat type display is not prompt, then it's not visible. Okay, so where are we? I said a few things. We have now this. Oh yeah, of course, we need to be able to edit this, change name and delete. We should also align it at the top here. Regenerate button, and then we should save the reactions here, and then we should fix this top margin or padding, and then we are actually good to go for integrating with OpenAI and starting to do the real work and the fun work. So let's fix that. Let's just fix that, what I said. Let's start with the reactions here. So when, and I want the whole group. So when, let's say group reaction good and group reaction bad. So when this is clicked, we are going to make a change. Make changes to a thing. What thing? Chat. Hold on. Where are we now? We are in a group chat parent groups chat message. This group has also a chat message and also parent groups chat message, and each of these should have a chat message. That should be parent groups chat message. So we need to like cascade the data down so that the connections are still here, so that I can do the following. Thing to change. Parent groups chat message, chat reaction, display, sure. No. Chat reaction. Oh, it doesn't have one. I should create one. No. Wait a minute. Thing to change. Parent group's chat message is what I'm going to change. Parent group's chat message. It's what I'm going to change. And the field is the chat reaction. I'm sorry. It's good. And then what? Actually, what happens when we do it here? Provide additional feedback. Okay, I want to do this now. Okay, then just this one is visible. It takes too much time for now. Let's do it later. But let's continue with this. And we're gonna have the same workflow, but for this one, so we are going to change something. We change this to a thing. Parent group's chat message. We are going to be changing the reaction. And in this case, it's actually bad. So reaction good. It's the green. Oh, sorry. Reaction good. Good. Reaction bad. That can be red. Okay. What else? Editing, yes. Editing. So this now is a text. So when I click edit, I want to be able to edit the name. Then I need it to be an input. But it should only be an input, so to speak, when edit is clicked. So how can I do that? And delete. Then we have delete. It's a message asking, are you sure you want to delete? Okay, let's start with the edit. So maybe this should have a state, the whole group. So let's say state, edit, able. It's a yes or no. Default is gonna be no. Okay. Okay, let's try this. Let's say input. I want an input. Let's give an input. An input. We'll see if this works. I'm not sure. I'm gonna copy all this. Paste. Just for now, I'll make this a column so I can see what's actually happening. Let's do 50. Okay, so no placeholder color, 0, no background, and this can be the same, which it is. We don't need a border, we don't need a fixed width. So when okay, and it should have parent groups, chat channels, name, whatever. So initial content, parent groups, chat channels, name, enable auto binding, field to modify the name, and it should only be visible right when we have an editable. So it's not visible. Remove that. So what's this called? What's this group called? When group chat channel, okay. Here we are. When group chat channel is editable is yes, then it can be visible. And reverse or inversely on this one, paste condition, when it is yes, this is not visible. And collapse. Okay, let's see if this works. It'll probably look a bit messy. Yeah, very messy indeed. Let's see. Let's go back to Rodin. See where we are. Let's take new chat. Oh, of course, and when I click it, this is like the main thing. When I click icon edit, then this group, or whatever chat channel group, should have a state that is editable. So set a state and chat channel group. What's it called? Group chat channel editable. It's gonna be a yes. And let's go back and see. Sort of works. Sort of works. And how does this work? Here, I click edit, and I click outside, and it's back. Edit, outside, and how did this work? This, edit. Okay, so we, edit. This is a test. Should autobind. Don't have permission to modify. Okay, I'll change that. And what else? Edit. Okay, a few things. Few things I noticed. And one of them being what? This is the text. This is the input. Input is hover. No. Let's see where we are. New chat. Edit. Okay. So maybe 155 min width. Input. Text 50. Okay. 50. Let's see. I should probably group these also and put them in a column. I just realized. Oh, this is the real GPT. I'm sorry. I was confused. Which is good, I guess. Which is good. Okay, yeah, that's nice. This is a test. It's gonna say you don't have permission, but I'll change it. And then, okay, so what did this say? This is just edit. Aha, then yes or no. Yes, no. So what happens when we click yes? Should we do this actually? Okay, let's do it. Why not? And then delete. But first, let me go and change so that we can edit it. Okay, I'm gonna put these in a row group also. Sorry, column I mean. Like this. I don't think that will mess anything up here. I was wrong, clearly. It messed up the height. Why did it mess up the height? That's a bit weird. This is not the one, this is not the one, this is the one. Feeding group. This one here. Vertical alignment, appearance. How about now? It's better. Yeah, let's go with this one. And it's actually editable right away. So yeah, let's do that. Let's do this. I want this one, and I want to duplicate that one. Did I? Yes, I did. They're both visible. I'm gonna put these in a column group as well. Column. Great, great, great. And group chat channel. Okay. And why is this like this? Let's see. Chat channel. It's a bit messed up. It needs to be to the right. So maybe it's this one. Should be like so. I actually thought I would fix it. It's because this maybe inside here is a column. Okay. Like so. Max width is 40. Okay, and this is gonna be a what? A shake. A shake. And this will be an what's it called? Cross? Cross, no? Close? Yep. These don't match. Maybe we have a shake that actually matches shake. Why? Check mark. Just give me a check mark that I can use. Okay, I will use this one, and I'll see if I can find another close. Just this one. We'll probably need a larger one. Okay. I mean, I think these are ugly, but okay. Let's do it. So when this check mark, then we do an edit, what's gonna happen? We're going to change the state. Maybe it's this redundant. Because at this point, and I'm thinking out loud here, we're clicking, and once we're editing, we can just edit, say hello, for example, and then I don't need to click accept. I can just go here and it's changed. And when I go back, I can change it. Okay, let's do it like this. Let's try to say it's auto-bind, so if we set a state of group chat channel, oh, we have more than one now. Group chat channel. Group. Group channel name, let's say. Group channel name. Group channel edit. Channel edit. And let's go back. Set state. Group channel. Chat channel. Editable will be no. Let's see what happens. Edit first. Test. Let's see if it auto binds. Oh, I also need permission to modify. Okay, let's check that out first. So data, privacy, chat channel definer rule, access. When current users, oh no, when this chat channel's creator is current creator is current user, then we can auto bind. All right, everything. Let's check again. Edit, test, check. Okay, nice. Nice. Edit, test 2. What happens now when I click here? If I go back, okay, it's still in edit mode. I check here. Okay, that's great. That is great. So what happens if I click here? Then we probably don't want to auto-bind. We probably want to change it when we click here instead. Let's keep it like this for now. I like auto-binding in these cases, but maybe we'll change it. Anyway, we need to put a conditional on the edit and delete so that when the state is editable, these are not visible. So let's do that right away. Let's go to the sign. It loads slowly. So when group chat channel is editable is yes, this is not visible, and it should be collapsible, yes. I'm going to copy that conditional expression. I'm going to put that on this little one, and it's going to be the inverse. Paste with conditional. So when it is editable, then it is visible. Otherwise, it is not visible. All right, and then I'm going to say here, we're actually going to remove the chat group. And default should always be no, right? Default should be no. And when editable is yes, it's visible. Come on. Why? Like so. This should be visible. Did it on the wrong one. Happens. Okay. Test. Sure. Hold on. When are these visible? No, we don't need this one. We also don't need this one. Okay, let's see if this works now. So by default, we don't show any of them, but when we click, we show this one. When we click this, we show this. Okay, that's great. Now what happens when we want to delete something? Then let's go back to this one. Okay, let's stop there for now. I need another break, another coffee. So let's just stop and see where we are currently. So a few things to iron out. Of course, this needs to be top aligned, and there were some other smaller things, but I think we're pretty close to starting building the AI layer. So let's say now we are here. We can create. Actually, we should also be able to create new chat, so we will fix that. But anytime I write here, so hello, I'm gonna send it. It creates a new chat. We can rename this chat as renamed chat. All right. And all right, like that. And then I can answer myself here for now. Myself here for now. Great success. Imminent. Okay, and we can create and add reactions. Let's see if those reactions are saved in the database. So we should have a chat message with some reaction. Yes, good, bad, great. And we should probably also have some form of way of knowing that we actually had a reaction. How does the actual ChatGPT do it? Hello. Oops, let's reload. Okay, so if I do it, I say okay, submit. It's just this one. Okay, so it's the sort of hovered state. Makes sense. I'll fix that. We'll fix this. And we'll also fix this, delete. And yep, see you soon.